Aquatica Orlando is an exceptional water park that combines thrilling rides with immersive natural themes, making it a standout attraction in Central Florida. Owned by SeaWorld Parks Entertainment, Aquatica opened in 2008, adding a fresh aquatic dimension to Orlando's rich history as a premier tourist destination. Orlando, originally known for its citrus industry and railway development, transformed into the theme park capital of the world, following the opening of Walt Disney World in 1971. Aquatica's creation reflects this evolution, offering visitors a unique blend of entertainment and water-based fun. One of Aquatica's strengths lies in its innovative rides like Dolphin Plunge, where riders zoom through clear tubes surrounded by Commerson's dolphins. This integration of marine life reflects SeaWorld's commitment to education and conservation. Additionally, Aquatica provides family-friendly zones and relaxing beaches, appealing to all ages. The park's design emphasizes harmony with nature, echoing Orlando's broader movement towards environmentally conscious tourism. In my opinion, Aquatica is more than just a water park. It's a reflection of Orlando's ongoing growth as a diverse entertainment hub. While Disney and Universal dominate the theme park scene, Aquatica offers a refreshing, less crowded experience with a unique marine touch. For visitors seeking both excitement and relaxation, this park is a must-visit that celebrates Orlando's history and its future as a leader in experiential tourism.